Hold down the Alter Option key and duplicate that design and position it so you get a lovely curled scroll design. You can position it anywhere. And you can also put one behind or in front, up to you. Fill the entire design with this scrolled shape. Please check out my earlier videos on that shape. Select all of them in the Layers panel, right click and group. They're all in a group now. Go to Layer menu and Rasterize and Trim. That's the key thing, Rasterize and Trim. Then go to the Layer menu and then go to New Pattern Layer from Selection. And you can resize it, rotate it and shear it. You can also go to the top left and select Mirror. And you've now got that scroll design based on that earlier shape. You can also, if you wish, rasterize the pattern layer by going to Layer menu and merging it, so merge visible.